2022 Hyundai venue. It's always going to a venue. And as you guys can see, it's way too quiet. Way too quiet. Oh my God. Her hair matches her car.
It glows too in the dark at night.
And her hair glows in the dark. That's what it sounds like before, guys. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 85. One more. Can't even hear it. We're about to change that. See you. 2022 Hyundai venue. Always going to a venue. In a Hyundai venue. Oh yeah. What color green is this, guys? Chameleon green. There you go. Kiwi green. I like it. Kiwi green. What it's got on? It's got a sexy, cute little baby cat right there. A manifold converter, huge one up there. Then a baby resonator there. Then 1.5-inch pipe all the way back. And we did a muffler delete because, you know, why not? We always like to do muffler deletes and stuff. So here you go, muffler delete right there. As you can see from the pipe, it's got a huge muffler that was on it right there. Sucker's huge. We took it off and replaced it with straight pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, make sure you know that we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. What? Oh, look at her!
It's growling when it starts.
Finally!
Yes!
It's got sound! What's the motor in? What motor size is it? 6?
Yeah,
1.6 liter. Is it turbo or anything? No.
No, that's next.
That's next. Timmy, you gotta turbo it out for her. After the warranty. Here's sound decibels. Again. 98.1. The venue. Gotta back it up. I like it. It's different. Get her a sticker. There we go. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai venue with a muffler delete. You won't see it anywhere else but here. Because you know what? We are exhaust addicts and we'll straight pipe anything. And it's a lowered Hyundai venue. So yeah. Get on it! Enjoy, guys.